Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your relationship status on Facebook. To do that, go ahead and click your profile on the upper left hand side. Scroll down and you will find under the intro, it will show your current relationship status. Click on edit details and scroll down and find your relationship status. Now you'll find a relationship. You can go ahead and you can click on that. It's going to open up the section for relationship. And if you want to remove your relationship, simply click on the pencil icon and you can go ahead and change this to status. Or you can go ahead and choose the option to make it private, since you can go ahead and just scroll down and you can say only me and it's going to remove. So if I want to hide it to only me, that's a way of removing it. Click on that and click on done. Or you can simply go ahead and just change the relationship status to the default status and save. And that's it. It's removed, guys. That's all that you have to do. So from now on, your relationship will not be shown on Facebook. So you can go back to your profile and you realize it's no longer showing. And that's it.